Loaf gang, welcome if this is your first time here, and welcome back if you are a continuous supporter. It's your girl Anastassja Mariah, and I am back with a wig review as well as a foundation review. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Perfect Hairline wig from Outre. This is another one, you guys. This is a 13 by 6 frontal wig, lace wig. Ear to ear, soft HD transparent lace. This wig has natural baby hairs. It is pre-plucked. It is heat styling friendly as well. It does come with an elastic band attached to it, but I always go ahead now and remove the combs from the ear tabs. I went ahead and added my powder as well, which is a skin tone powder that I use. Anything will do from the drugstore, of course. And I went ahead and sized it to my head. When I'm making sure that I'm sizing my wig correctly, I do already adjust the bands, as well as I make sure that those elastic band tabs sit right behind my ear. For glue, I went ahead and used the Bold Hold lace glue. And yes, I do spread my lace glue out with my fingers because this one works extremely well with the heat of your fingers. And then I go ahead and blow dry on cool. And I do 2 layers of this process. So from this point, you guys, I go ahead and clip off my nail because it unfortunately broke. And I make sure that I lay the wig down, and I like to push it in with clean fingers as well. The slight heat from the fingertips, again, it does help it adhere very flat to the wig, exactly where I needed it. Like, I aced it this time, y'all. I'm also blow drying this on cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and seal the deal with the Gots to Be Glue freeze spray. I just spray all around it and blow dry that on cool as well. And I made sure I tied it up for about 20 to 30 minutes. It doesn't have to be this long. I just wanted to go eat too. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace off, and I cut mine in sections. I'm not sure if you guys do that as well, or cut it in one big piece, but this works easy for me.
Little.
Hey, y'all, that hairline was clean. Like, I laid that. I think it looks really, really good. Y'all already know the deal. So from here, I'm just pulling out some baby hair, edges hair, and I'm trimming those down to my liking. And I'm gonna actually go in this time with like a stick edge control, and I'm gonna kind of lay that on top of the hairs. It does kind of get on my forehead, but all the product is, you know, it's just enough to get those baby hairs to swoop exactly how you want them to be. It's a very lightweight edge control as well. I believe it's called Zedges. I like it. All right, so we're tying the hair up again, and you guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in the remainder of the video.
What is up, Loaf gang?
as you guys can see, I started the video off with applying this wig. I will go ahead and style it and such at the end. In this part of the video, I'm actually going to be trying a new foundation out today. I did order from Sephora the new Gucci foundation. They just call it Gucci. It's the Fluid de Beauté Fini Naturel. It is their natural finish fluid foundation, and I did pick up medium deep 460N, which is N stands for the neutral. So 460 is the highest neutral one, basically. It comes in this nice little box. 460N, it comes with this nice blush pink lid and a icy glass. Yeah, definitely glass. It's Gucci. So this retails for $68, you guys. Oh God, yes. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Let me pull up the details so you guys are aware of the perks of this foundation. It is a natural finish liquid developed for normal combination in oily skin types. So they didn't mention anything about dry skin. So that's a little concerning. So it says the coverage is medium, the finish is natural. It says to apply using fingertips to achieve a second skin effect with a naturally perfect and smooth finish. It says what else do you need to know? And this is on Sephora.com. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but I got it from Sephora, so I figured I'd read the details from Sephora. So it says designed with texture that blurs imperfection and makes pores appear less visible. The buildable formula offers controlled coverage. This lightweight silky foundation is a non-greasy, easy to apply, and creates visibly unified complexion for wear that is comfortable on the skin all day long. So currently right now it's 9:18 p.m. so I won't be wearing this long at all. But I did really want to test it out. First, gonna go ahead and moisturize with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's the 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. I got this for free in a Sephora order with my points, so I actually been liking this. I don't use it every single day, but I have been liking it. So I'm gonna go in with the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. I don't feel like I've seen a lot of beauty YouTubers talk about this primer. I don't know if you guys have ever used this. If you've ever used this, or I believe they have like the glow one. I haven't used this in a while, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. It doesn't say to shake it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it. So it's a pump. I'm gonna use my regular BH Cosmetics No. 3 foundation brush. And I have one pump right here. So we're gonna see, I hope this is a color match. Let me use my good side. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, so that's one. First off, y'all already know what I'm about to say. I don't even want to use a lot of this because it's Gucci. Oh my goodness. Do you see that match? Bring it down the neck this time, because I don't really do that in my videos. And then I look back at them and I be like, girl, what were you doing? I'm sure y'all already could tell how I feel about this. I'm looking in my monitor too, by the way, so. This is a really good match. This feels really good. The scent is not overwhelming or anything like that. I love this. I can't really tell all the way if it's a little too dark, but I don't think it's too dark. I feel like it melted right into my skin. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because I'm super excited at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna sit and talk. So y'all just be back in a jiffy, okay? You just wait. All right, y'all, I am back. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my hair down, finish up probably like the edges or whatever, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into this review of the foundation. I'm gonna style the hair real quick. That's how much shedding I got by brushing it. But y'all, you guys, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit of my silicone mix shine hair polish in there real quick. I'm feeling really, really cute. I love this wig. Like, I love this wig. Like, do you see the hairline? I didn't do any plucking on this, and you can, if you want to go in and do some plucking on your own, please feel free. This is a 13x6. This looks really good. Like, this looks really good, right? The color is really cute. I haven't seen anybody do this color either, and I saw the reviews on this wig to see, because this is all the hair store had left. I actually wanted something like ash blonde, like my last wig, but they didn't have it. I'll probably end up like taking my blow dryer and like heating it to where it kind of naturally lays this way. All right, you guys, so now that we've made it to the end, I have finished my face. I went ahead and used products that I've already used before. So the foundation, this Gucci foundation, this medium coverage, only for oily combination skin people, in the color 460N. Y'all, this is gonna be my new bae. Like, the color was gorgeous, and when I was applying it on my skin, it just melted into my skin. There is like a floral scent. I believe it's Gucci's signature floral scent with this foundation as well, but it's really not heavy at all. It's really not overwhelming. And when I watched other videos, these people made it seem like, you know, it was just so strong, and I didn't get that. But I didn't get the primer as well, so maybe the two combined together was a bit overwhelming. But yeah, I don't smell it at all. I didn't smell it when I swatched it. I don't really even smell it on the brush anymore. But y'all, it blends in beautifully with my skin. I have like a weird sheen going on. Y'all see that? The foundation is a medium coverage foundation in my opinion, but I'm not having any like super hard skin issues right now. So I still see like my beauty marks still shining through, or not shining through, but peeking through with their pigment. So yeah, it's definitely medium coverage. I love full coverage regardless, but you know, even with the stuff that I added on, I guess it overall makes my face full coverage. But the foundation itself, when I was applying it, as you guys saw, it wasn't full coverage, but you can build it up to be full coverage. I will say that if you use like hydrating products, make sure your skin is hydrated. If you are dry skin friendly like myself, you are definitely gonna want to moisturize and maybe use a hydrating primer. The Super Goop is skin-like finish, like a satin finish. Like, I don't feel dry. My skin feels wonderful for me to have dry skin, and this isn't really made for people with dry skin. I haven't even set my face. Like, I haven't put no highlighter on in this video. I'm just gonna leave that out, and I didn't put any setting spray on it. I just wanted to see how my skin would look. Guys have already heard how I feel about the foundation. I absolutely love it. It's totally worth $68. I mean, I haven't wore it like for hours in advance or hours later on, and I won't be wearing it all night tonight, but it's absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the wig. If you guys want to see me do more wig reviews and more, you know, unboxing of the wig and applications, please let me know in the comments below, or let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you guys are gonna try or have tried the Gucci foundation or other products from Gucci, like their bronzer, their primer, let me know what you thought of those products. Do you recommend them to me? I definitely recommend this foundation to you. I don't know how many shades they actually have, but again, if you are my shade sister, twin, you are going to love the finish and the application, and you're gonna baby this foundation. Okay, you're gonna baby it. So I thank you guys so much if you made it to the end. I love you. Okay, and we still the Loaf gang, even though, you know, again, it's just me, Anastassja Mariah. I will see you guys in my next video, and again, thank you so much for watching.